Hey guys, my name is Ellie and I'm a 25-year-old weightlifter. If you're new here, welcome. If this is not your first time watching videos, if you're returning, thanks for watching and returning to watch my videos. So with that being said, this channel is about documenting my journey through weightlifting and life. So today we're doing a day in the life vlog where I'll take you through kind of what I'm doing today and all things. So yeah, thanks for watching. Good morning, everyone. It is 5:14. Let's go look at that. Anyways, it's Saturday morning. So today we're doing a day in the life vlog. So with that being said, I'm about to cook myself breakfast and then go to the gym. It's a heavy day, so we're gonna be going heavy on snatch, clean jerk, and probably front squat. So I'm about to cook myself breakfast, which is gonna be eggs with chicken sausage, onions, and salsa. I'm currently on a cut, so not a lot of carbs going in at the moment, which if you guys are interested, I can make a video on kind of cutting and what I do and all that. So let me know in the comments if that's something you guys are interested. I'm also cutting with RP, so if you guys want to hear more about that and how that works, let me know in the comments. So anyways, we're gonna cook breakfast now, so let's go do that. Alright, so we are done cooking, and here we have the eggs and coffee. And now we're gonna eat and then get ready to hit the gym. Oh, we have a guest here. Say hi. Hey, Roxy. Is there anything you want to tell the viewers? Oh, you want a cookie? Is that what it is? You want a cookie? Yes, you want a cookie? Alright, we are in the car ready to go to the gym. It is freezing outside. It's 31 degrees, so pretty cold. But anyways, yeah, getting ready to hit the road to go to the gym. So I'll see you guys at the gym. Alright, so we just finished up with training for the day. Plan was to go for a heavy single on the snatch, clean and jerk, and front squat. For the snatch, I hit 47, and then it felt pretty easy. But then after that, it got rough. Mentally rough, not necessarily physically. That's actually one of my issues, is that I get on my head. I'm sure other lifters can relate to this, but I get in my head once I start getting heavy or heavy-ish or whatever. After a certain point, I start getting in my head, and then I can't get the lift, and it's just typically because I get in my head. It's not like I'm not strong enough to do it. It's just I get in my head, and just everything just goes out from there. So then for the clean, similar situation, got up to 60, felt great, felt easy, and then put 62 on the bar, and same thing as the snatch, got in my head about it and could not get it. I don't know why, because my PR is not, or my max is more than that. But anyways, for the next training cycle, I definitely need to focus. Well, just in general, I really need to work on my mental game, and not getting in my head with the lifts, because I feel like that's what's holding me back, more than anything. I mean, yeah, there's a lot of technical flaws that I need to fix, but definitely my mental game is like the number one thing I need to work on. But yeah, after the clean, moved on to the front squat and got a PR. My previous max was 85 kilos, and today I hit 88. So pretty happy about that. I mean, hitting a PR in squats is great. I wish it would have been in the clean and jerk and snatch. But I don't know, just today was not my day. And that's okay. I know what I need to work on. Like I mentioned, my mental game, I really need to work on that, because I feel like that's really what's holding me back at this point, because I'm strong enough. I mean, when I was going through the lifts, I'm like, I mean, I know I was getting in my head about it, but I was like, oh, because I'm gonna cut, maybe that's why. But no, it's definitely not the cut, because my strength is there. Got a PR on my front squat, so strength is definitely not an issue. So yeah, I think, like I said, really need to tune in on my mental game and like really hash that out, because that's really what's gonna like take me to that next level, or that next PR, you know, qualifying for AO series, AO finals, nationals one day. So yeah, that's how the training went today. Got a PR, front squat, everything else. Need to work on my mental game. But yeah, at least I was able to get to a heavy single-ish, kind of, sort of. Last week I was feeling like trash, but that's because this week was deal, so I'm a new person now. So now we're gonna go home, eat, take a shower, maybe take a nap, maybe not, I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, I'll catch you guys at home. Alright, we are now home. About to eat. Definitely I'm feeling the hunger now. After trying to max out on the 3 lifts I talked about. So yeah. Alright, so my meal is served, and let's go take a look at it. Alright, so here we got chicken, sweet potatoes, salsa guac, and onions and let's see, all that, sorry, oops. So all that equals to 35 grams of protein, 10 grams of fat, and 10 grams of carbs. So those are my macros for my post-workout meal. So all right, we're done eating now, and I'm gonna go upstairs, take a shower, and maybe take a nap, maybe not. I'm not sure. I mean, I do want to take a nap, but I don't know if that's best. So I will catch you guys later. All right, so it is 2:23, 2:30. Just woke up from my nap a little bit ago. So now we're gonna eat my third meal of the day and have some coffee, get re-energized, fully wake up, and then we'll get going with the rest of the day. Alright, so here we are. Got my protein shake. It's just casein. And then peanut butter. I know it does not look like a lot. And like I said, it's 35 grams of protein, 10 fat, and 5 of carbs. It's not a lot, guys. I know that, especially for being a weightlifter. But like I mentioned earlier before, I'm on a cut, so that's kind of why I don't eat much as of right now. But I'll probably create a video, more detailed video about like my nutrition and what I eat during a cut, to better explain that. But yeah, I just wanted to throw it out there. I know it's not a lot, but again, I'm trying to cut, so it is what it is. Alright, so now that I had my meal and some coffee, I'm going to take everything off this desk, which I'm actually, I sold it, because I want to get a new desk, bigger, like, so I want like an L-shaped desk that like goes in this corner right here, so I'll have more space. I mean, since I work from home, I want a bigger desk, so I can have space for like my work computer and stuff, and then my personal computer, YouTube creative space. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm gonna do now. Take it. Alright, so now I'm going to prep my meal. So it's gonna be similar to what I had post-workout, just my carbs, instead of being 10 grams, it'll be 5 grams, I believe, from that. Yeah, so 35 grams of protein, 10 grams of fat, and 5 grams of carbs. So those are my macros, but as far as like the food itself, it's gonna be exactly the same as I had post-workout. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna have for dinner. So let's go ahead and get that ready to go. All right, just finished putting together my dinner. Here we go. Oop. You know, nothing crazy. Oh, one thing. So, quick side note. I've been eating the same thing for the past 9 months. I don't know, since April of last year. Kind of getting tired of it. Yeah, I think I need to come up with new ideas because I feel like, yeah, I'm doing it and it's cool and a little tired, but like whatever. But I feel like it's gonna get old soon if I don't switch it up. But anyways, if you guys have any suggestions, like what to eat in a cut, specific in a cut, because again, maintenance, I have more flexibility, so it's easier, like less rigid. Like when you're in a cut, you're in a cut, so stick to it, get it done, and move on. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, like what to eat for a cut, like what can I do, how to switch it up, any good recipes, drop it in the comments, let me know. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and eat now, and I'll catch up with you guys in a few minutes. So just finished having dinner. I was gonna go upstairs and get some work done on both YouTube channel content and whatnot, and also wedding planning. So I'm actually getting married this coming May, so have a lot to do with that. A lot of things that I need to get, you know, kind of plan for and get together for that. So I was gonna go upstairs and do that, but like you guys know, I just sold my desk earlier, so I don't have a desk to work on for the time being. I actually ordered a new desk from Amazon, which is getting delivered Monday, so I'll have a desk Monday/Tuesday by the time I put it together. But in the meantime, I don't have a desk, so I am sitting downstairs on the couch and with my computer. I'm gonna, still get the same stuff done. So like, I'll probably work on a channel and some wedding planning stuff, but just gonna do it from down here. Been tie-dyeing shirts on and off all day. And the first round of them, the kit comes with gloves, but I didn't put gloves on just cause I don't know. I thought I don't really need them. Like, I'll just wash my hands after it. But there's a reason why they include the gloves. And you guys probably know that, it's gonna dye your hands. But, I'm not always the brightest person. So I was just like, I'll just wash my hands. It'll be fine. Well, it was not. This is what my hands look like right now. And it's actually not bad. Like a few hours ago, it was like, my hands were super blue and I washed them like 10 times. I Googled like how to get dye off your hands and did multiple things like putting baking soda, sugar with lotion, vinegar. I don't know, I tried all kinds of things. But, it faded off a little bit, but still have them. At this point they're kind of faded. They have faded a lot from earlier today. Just from washing my hands, I guess, so many times and washing dishes, but still, they're still pretty blue, pretty noticeable at least. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing some wedding planning stuff now, and then probably later work on my YouTube channel and content. All right, it's 9 o'clock and I'm pretty tired, so I'll be going to sleep pretty soon here. But before I go to sleep, I am gonna have my last meal of the day, which is casein and peanut butter, and then I'll go to sleep right after. But before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy getting a little snippet of what my day looks like. It's a Saturday, so I don't work today. I know it's not the most exciting day, but you know, got to show you guys a little bit about my training and a PR on my front squat and then everything else I did. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching. Make sure that you hit the like button down below, subscribe for more content I have coming up. Leave any comments down below on anything that you guys wanted me to put out there and you guys want to watch. And make sure to share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.